Hello, students. Today we are going to look at what are the different states of matter. So, you know that the states of matter is that everything all around us, whether it's a solid, a liquid, or a gas, everything around us is a state of matter. So, today we are going to pay more attention to see how each state of matter is different from another, like how liquid is different to solid and how gas is different to liquid or solid and so on. Okay, now let's have a look at some of the examples of solids like tables, chairs, people, cubes, and so on. Liquids is like water, milk, juice, anything, and so on. And then some examples of gas: oxygen, air, helium in balloons. Also, the steam which comes when the water reaches the boiling point is also a form of gas. So each state of matter is different. We learned that solid keeps their shape. Some are hard, some of them can break. It doesn't take the shape of the container. Like either you have to do some alterations to fix them in the container. So we learned that solids keep their shapes. Some of them are hard and some of them can't break easily. Either you have to hammer them or break them. You have to apply force. It doesn't take the shape of the container. So these are solids. Liquid. A liquid flows easily and takes the shape of the container in which you put that liquid in. For example, if you put the water in a glass, it takes the shape of the glass. Or if you put the water in a bowl, it will take the shape of the bowl. Or if you put the water in the plate, it will take the shape of the plate. So they take the shape of the container. And then we finally come to gas. A gas is the only state of matter that we can't see. So it can be oxygen or steam from the boiling water and so on. It even refers to the gas in the like gas as helium inside a balloon and so on. So each state of matter is different. All states of matter are made up of atoms and molecules.
So, if you get a part so small which can't be divided further, it is called indivisible. It can't be cut further. It is uncuttable. It is an atom. Let me tell you a secret. Everything is made up of atoms. You, this water, this table, this blackboard, this fan, these fruits, everything.
Now, what does an atom means? It's the smallest particle which can't be further divided. That's an atom. And what does it mean by molecule? What does it mean by molecule? When two or more atoms join together, then they form a molecule. So, all states of matter are made up of atoms or molecules. We are looking at a poster here now that shows the difference between the states of matter, how the atoms and molecules are arranged in each state of matter. So here we can see the arrangement of atoms in a solid. As I told you, solids have definite shape and these atoms or molecules are tightly packed together. See them here in the diagram? They are really tightly packed together and they have a definite shape. Whereas if you look at this here in liquids, because we all know that the liquids they can flow and we can pour them and their shape depends on the shape of their container. Have a look at these arrangement of molecules. Look at the atoms and the molecules here. They are free to move around. They are tightly packed together and they can even move around freely. So that's the reason the liquid easily takes the shape of any container you pour in. And finally, we come to gas. If you look at these molecules, they are very far apart. If you compare these with the solids, these molecules are very far apart. They are just spread. That's the reason we know that when the gas can just occupy the whole room and it spreads very fast. So you can see how the molecules are arranged in the gas. They are just spread apart. As we all know, they can fill a room, helium can fill a balloon, air can fill the bags, and they are really spread apart as you can see in this diagram. So I hope you understood the concept, and now I want you to do a task based on this. Okay, so you have the three states of matter here. Okay, this is clear. You have three states of matter here: solid, liquid, and gas. You know how the molecules are arranged as we just had a look at. So I want you to draw the particles of solid, liquid, and gas. Make sure you remember the poster, what we saw, how the atoms or the molecules are tightly packed in solid and they are a bit away in liquid and spread far apart in gas. Okay? Thanks for being with me.
Ha! Welcome to Friend for Learning.